In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire design workflow on how I designed this beautiful and stunning birthday flyer for Michael B. Jordan in Adobe Photoshop. If today is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop any video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Now, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button as well. The comment section is also for you. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to set up my canvas size, and then I'm using 9x10, or you can use any portrait measurement of your choice. Then I'm going to give my flyer a name, right? So birthday flyer, and I'm going to click on create. Good. Now the first thing I'm going to start with is the background. So come here and then click on this guide and then click on gradients. Awesome. Now click on this guide and then come to the left, and we are going to change the left colorful to 3B, 3D, 3D, right? Then click on OK, and then come to the right and then change it to 13, 12, 12, then click on OK. Now let's come here and then increase the opacity from 0% to 100%. Then I'm going to click on OK. Alright, for the style, we are going to change it from linear to the radial, and then the angle I'm going to change it to 22.07, right? And I'm going to leave everything as it is and then click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to our design resources, and I'm going to drag and drop this image right here to my Adobe Photoshop like that, and I'm going to adjust it very well. Okay, so this is okay for me. Alright, now create a new layer on top of it. So click on this guy to create a new layer. Now head over to your foreground color, right? And then you are going to use this color right here. So this is okay for me. I'm using FF8800. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to grab my brush tool, right? So my brush tool, this is my brush tool, and I'm going to increase the size. Alright. So this is good, and make sure you select the soft round brush. Now I'm going to apply it to this side and this side as well. You're going to adjust it like this, and then click on this guy. Good. And the next thing we're going to do is to merge everything here. So select the gradients layer here, and on your keyboard press and hold the shift key and then select the layer 1 here. Right click on it and then click on merge layers, right? Alright, now right click on it again and then click on convert to smart objects. Now head over to your image tab right here and then click on adjustments and then click on color balance, right? So we are going to do some adjustments, and now under the tone balance, select the shadows and then change the middle figure to a +6, and then change this to a +22, right? Now select the mid tones and then change this to a +5, and then this you change it to -80, and then we change this to -66 like that, right? Now come to highlights, right? And then we're also going to change this to a +22 and then this to -52, right? Then we are going to change this to -100. Then I'm going to click on OK. Alright, now the next I'm going to do is to right click on the layer and then click on rasterize layer, right? Now grab your eraser tool, increase the size. Now I'm going to get rid of the lower part like this. Alright, so this is okay for me. Alright, now I'm going to rename this layer as the background layer, right? And the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop this image right here. Click on this guy. Now right click on it and then click on rasterize, right? Alright, now head over to your eraser tool, right click on it and then select the magic eraser, then get rid of the white background like that, right? So I'm going to adjust it like this, put it right here. Good. Now right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to your image tab and then click on adjustment and then click on hue and saturation. Now I'm going to change the hue to -44, and then the saturation I'm going to change it to a +42, and I'm going to click on OK. All right, now head over to your filter tab and then click on blur, then Gaussian blur, and then change it to 6.0 pixels and then click on OK. Awesome. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, right? And then drag it down like this. Then I'm going to adjust it this way, put it right here, click on this guy, right? Now I'm going to double click on the hue and saturation effect that we added and then change the hue to -6 and then the saturation you change it to +20, then you click on OK. Now let's change the Gaussian blur as well to 24 pixels and then click on OK. Awesome. And the next I'm going to do is to add my first text. So grab your text tool and then draw a text box like this, right? Good. And then this can be, or this could be your birthday message or any message that you want to add, and you go ahead and then adjust it very well, right? Now go ahead and then bring in my first image, which is this one. So I'll drag and drop it in my Photoshop like that. Now I'm going to leave all the links to these resources in the description of the video below. I also leave a link to the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack, just in case you want to get yourself a pack of high quality graphic design resources to help you with your design workflow. So check out for those links in the description of this video and in the comment section as well. All right, now with our image selected, head over to the select tab and then click on subjects. Then wait for the subject to be selected, right? Now come here and then add a layer mask and then the background just gone just like that. So I'm going to resize it, right? And then keep it right here. Now right click on the image and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to the filter tab and then click on camera raw filter. We want to make some few adjustments to the image and then make it pop. So the first thing we are going to change is the exposure. Now change the exposure to 1.30 and then the contrast, you are going to give it a plus of 48, right? And then come to the blacks and then change it to -61. Now scroll down and then come to texture and then give it -21 as well. Come to clarity and then give it a plus of 100. And then the dehaze, you are going to change it to a plus of 24. Now scroll down and then come to vibrance and then saturation. We are going to maintain the vibrance at 0, but then change the saturation to a plus of 25, right? And then scroll down to details. So change the sharpening to text 1 and then the noise reduction. Let's move it to 100, right? And then the color noise reduction to move it to 100. And then I'm going to click on OK. All right, now I'm going to right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Grab my eraser tool, right? Decrease the size. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 700 pixels. All right, then I'm going to get rid of the lower parts like that, right? Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Just going to adjust it like that. And the next I'm going to do is to head over to my shape tools and then select the ellipse tool like this, right? And I'm going to draw a circle. Good. And I'm going to keep it right here like that. Now come to effects and then click on gradient overlay. So this is the settings that we are going to use. The left color code is FDC88F and then click on OK. The right color code is E22208, then click on OK, and then make sure you change your location for the right color code to 75%, then click on OK. Now for the style, you are going to maintain the radial, right? And I'm going to click on OK. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to bring in my next image. So head over to your files and then drag and drop this second image as well. So like that, click on this guy. Right click on it and then click on rasterize. Head over to your select tab and then click on subjects, and then just like we did for the first one, we wait for the subject to be selected, then we get rid of the background using the layer mask, right? Now add the layer mask and the background is gone, so I'm going to resize it like this. All right, Alright, now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on it and then click on flip horizontal. And I'm going to position it like that, right on top of the circle right there. Good. You can go ahead and then color grade it if you want, but then we are going to leave it like that. And then what I'm going to do is to create a new layer on top of it and then drag it down like that. Change your foreground color to black, right? Click on OK, and then select your brush tool, decrease the size. Okay, I think this is okay. And then I'm going to do these changes. Let me see. Okay, so I think this is okay. Then I'm going to apply it here like this, right below the feet, and then this side as well. Awesome. I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay, this is good. All right, now head over to your shape tools again and then select the ellipse tool. Draw another circle like that, right? And then change the color. So you are going to sample the color of this image right here. So I'm going to go for this. The color code is D55670. Good. And I'm going to keep it right here like that. Decrease the size. Awesome. Click on this guy. Now right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Select your eraser tool and then decrease the size. Good. Now I'm going to zoom in and then apply the eraser right in the middle. Right. Good. Alright, now at this moment I'm going to add my final text and then we wrap up with this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will also leave a video at the end of this video, so make sure you watch that as well. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dots here, click on select and then click on canvas and then select this align right here to keep my text right in the middle up there, right? And there we have our beautiful birthday flyer. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon, and then don't forget to smash the like button. Until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.